Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And today we are going to discuss about the concept of volume. So, what is volume? Something we will talk. What is the logic behind it, so that all the beginners understand this term. What is this volume? And then small tip how to use in intraday. So, how do we use this in intraday so that we can choose the better stock than the bad stocks? Okay, so small tip I will give you. Also I will tell you the important logic, because tomorrow in technical analysis, it's very important. In technical analysis, whenever you add volume to any indicator or any concept, you should know first of all what is volume and meaning of it and logic of it. Then only we can add it. So I will talk about the logic and then the how to use it in intraday. So alright, so in simple words, volume is nothing but the number of shares traded. Shares means whatever, Reliance or Infosys, whatever you see, these are the shares, 1 share, 2 share, 3 shares. So those shares are traded. That means, example, see if think A and B is doing trading. So A has bought, buying 100 shares, B is selling 100 shares. So both are exchanging 100 shares here, okay. So the volume is not 200, 100 and 100. The 100 shares from him went to him, from B to A, 100 shares. So volume traded is only 100 shares, because 100 shares buyer and sellers happened. So traded volume is 100 shares. So this is what we normally call as volume traded. So this you can see in your Zerodha or whichever demat account or trading account you're using. You can see volume traded there, how much number of lakhs of shares have been traded till that particular time. Okay, so that is this one. And apart from that, very important thing is, see if a price is going up in intraday. Okay, when I say price, let's say plus 2%, plus 3% Reliance, plus, or let's say it is going down, negative 3%, negative 4% Reliance. Okay, but if the volume is less, okay, price is going up, volume is going less, I mean very less, that means weak hands are trading. Because if the price is going up, only few number of people are buying it and it is going up. Anytime a seller come, a reversal can happen. That is the reason you see top gainer stocks which you take after some time, like 3%, 4%, will come down to 2%, 1%. Sometimes it goes to negative also, negative 1, negative 2. So you would have faced a situation because the volume in that particular stock is less. That means people are trading less in that particular stock. In intraday, what we want, we need a stock where people are trading more. Okay, so therefore, if the price is going up and you see in the top somewhere and the volume is very less, understand there are higher chances of reversals. Okay, higher chances. Now that doesn't mean all 100% of the stock will happen reversals. Most of them will become reversal because of this logic. So therefore, more volume, more liquidity. That means if you are looking to buy a share, 100 share, there are sellers of 100. Or if you're looking to sell 100 shares, there are people who are there to buy. So more number of people are trading in Reliance or Infosys for today. Okay, every day the stock may change. So more people are trading in this stock, the volume is more. So I should do intraday trading more in that stock, because if I enter and exit, because in intraday you need to enter within morning, in the afternoon, okay, 3:30 or let's say 3:21 or 3:20 if you're using margin. So within this time you should exit. So if you buy a stock and if it doesn't move, that is a big problem, right? So volume is important. Number of people trading in your stock is very important. So easy order execution can happen, and more liquidity will be easy for you to, stock to move. Okay, so that you can hit your target or whatever. So now this is the logic behind what is this volume. Okay, the logic behind it, volume, and how this is calculated and why we need volume, I just told you. This can be used with lot of technical indicators. Okay, and basically in a technical analysis, volume will be used to determine various other ways. If a breakout has happened, is it strong or is it weak, all those things will be found out. But I'm just telling you simple words for beginners. Now for intraday what we can do, now you can refer to any website, okay, any website or any scanner which you're using, basically to find where more the people are trading, okay, where the volume is more, the volume traded is more. So I will use, for now I'll give a small example, small tip. You can use the official website of NSE India. I'm using the old website, www.1.nseindia. Okay, not the NSE India, www.1.nseindia. India. Remember, it's the old site. You can search in the new site also. So over here, let's go to equity stock. Okay, here you can choose whichever sector you want, or if you want to just choose Nifty 50, then you can be with Nifty 50. And then here we have an option. You see the volume in lakhs, number of volumes traded. So now the market has been closed. Okay, so let me go up. So now the market has been closed. Okay, so tomorrow when the market opens, or whichever day you're seeing this, whenever the market is open, okay, I think the time will be updated here. So whenever you see the market is open here, the volumes will be updating. Okay, maybe there will be 1 minute delay or something, I don't know, but the volume traded will be getting updated in lakhs. So 90 lakhs, 41 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 11 lakhs. Now if you ask me, should I take the stock which is highest here? Now let's say Axis Bank. So you see Axis Bank, SBI and ICICI Bank has 617 lakhs shares traded, 600 shares, 365 shares. I would not say that is right, because see, the price of the stocks also vary, because Tata Motors is 68. There are stocks which is 1000 rupees and 800 rupees whose shares traded will be less. So you can go with turnover in crores. That means value. Your number of shares traded into the price, okay, whichever price they calculate, but number of shares into price will give you the value. So more people have traded in a stock where more money has been invested, buying and selling has happened, so that is the highest. So let's filter out this. All right, so now in this examples we have 2250 crores, 1700 crores, 1600, 1500 crores, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, HDFC and TCS. So these are the stocks which have been traded end of the day, but during the day, like example 9:30 or 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, whenever you're looking into the trade, if you cross check here on which stock people are trading, because you don't know what is the news on Axis Bank, you don't know what is good news here, you don't know what is bad news here, right? You cannot do all this analysis, time will get over intraday, right? Speculating, it will be quick. So therefore you're understanding that people are investing the money here. I mean, a lot of people are already invested here by this half an hour or 1 hour already. So now I need to keep an eye on these stocks based on the market direction, whether it is going up or going down. I should take advantage based on their levels. So taking entry is different. You need to see the levels and take, but this is how you can pick a stock for intraday in terms of volume, where the liquidity will be good, where people are trading more, where people have traded more expecting that it will continue. So you can, as a beginner, you can use this particular method to decide which stock to trade or which stock to learn for paper trading. You can use this particular technique. All right, so this is just a technique what I keep observing in the market. I am not an expert, or I'm not, it's not like a bible or something. Market trend keeps changing, so remember that. So always backtest this, practice this, do paper trading on yourself, and then utilize this. I do not recommend for any buying or selling. This is only for educating a lot of beginners. So this is your homework for you guys, for Smart Trader family. Practice this for few days. Try to see these stocks have movements. Now it's up to you where you enter, where you exit. That also matters. So hope this small tip was an add-on to your knowledge, and this would definitely help you guys. And hope you got an idea about this volume, which is a major part of our technical analysis. It is used also, it is used in our day-to-day intraday trade for normal logics also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like button and also share this video to beginners. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.